Mainly dry, but I can't promise you wall-to-wall sunshine. Now today we've got areas of low pressure to the northeast, the south, and a weather front out there in the northwest. But let's take a look what happens as we go through into the weekend. The high pressure begins to move its way in, the low pressure system begins to die away, but into the weekend it looks as though the high pressure is only going to be hanging on down in the far south. And by the time we get through to Monday and Tuesday, you can see those isobars are still quite tight across the north of the UK, and there will be bands of cloud and rain coming in as well. Well, back to today, the thickest cloud is in this northeast corner, giving some rain as you can see, but much of it is fairly light and patchy. We've also had cloud around the south coast, giving the odd spot of rain, and the cloud out to the north and the west may thicken up this afternoon to give a little bit more rain as well. Now in the northeast, the winds are quite strong offshore, although it is quite gusty at the moment in Aberdeen city itself, but I think those winds will always stay strongest out in the North Sea. Now by this evening we might just see a few spots of rain in the north and the west as well. But in between, while there's a good deal of sunshine to be found, the cloud is bubbling up, but it looks as though it will be staying dry for the rest of the afternoon in those inland areas. Top temperatures today in the sunshine, 18 to 19 in the south, in Scotland 14 to 16, but in the northeast corner here it is going to be feeling chillier with that northwesterly strong wind. Now the sun index is quite high for today, from 3 to 6 in the southwest, so have your sunscreen fairly handy. The pollen index is fairly high as well, particularly so in inland areas of the south of the UK, up to around 7. Now tonight it's going to be fairly clear in inland areas, so this is where we're going to see the lowest temperatures, around 4 to 6, but where we keep the cloud, well, around 7 to 8. Into Thursday, very little change, still the east coast having the thickest cloud and perhaps 1 or 2 light showers. Again Friday, incredibly similar weather, temperatures at the very highest around 17 to 18. Into the weekend, a little subtle change. This weather front's gradually going to push its way in, and I think during the day that means we will begin to see it thickening up, perhaps giving the odd spot of rain in the west of Scotland and the northwest of Northern Ireland. Still the east coast keeping 1 or 2 showers as well, but for many of us again dry and fine. Into Sunday, well, a incredible change here. The winds will be freshening up, as you can see those tightly packed isobars, and there will be some rain coming into the north and the west.